What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So me and Chris are going to be taking the turbo Tahoe out and you know, just kind of check out this car meet that's kind of local to us. And I don't know, maybe we'll do some Mexico things. What do you think?
Yeah, I hope so. We'll see how she's running, dude.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Well, let's get to it.
Hey, that room back in the tire, bro. Yo, that shit is Got you. All right. My boy, I got 20 on right. I fucks with right. I fucks with the swap.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a bunch of fun. We had a blast. It's really late, so...
Dude, we have a full-blown ripper on our hands here. So as you guys seen, we ran Andrew, our buddy Andrew, and his Coyote swapped SN95, right? New Edge?
Yeah,
New Edge. So it was supposed to be, we were heading out, everyone was leaving. It's supposed to be, I mean, it's a quick car. It's very quick. It's on nitrous usually. It hooks amazing on the street. Anyway, we were on our way out. I'm like, hey, lock it up. Let me get the hit. Let me get on boost. And no bottle. He's like, yeah, okay. So I left a little easy. I got a little confused. I left on like, I don't know, 3.5 pounds, I believe it said. So it had a soft launch, and she woke up outside the 60 foot, and he had the spray.
Little did we know, he didn't turn off the bottle.
Yeah.
He got a little scared.
He didn't want to lose to the kidney bean, so he told us that he had to get in it to get around the Tahoe. So that makes me very happy, very happy. So she's a unit. It's so much fun, and it's not even fast yet.
Yeah,
like
it's got a lot more room
we have
to
so
grow.
much to go. Like we have so much room to grow. Like on its low boosts, like, you know, with these tires and wheels. Oh, by the way, have Derek put some pictures in right here. So we had an LTZ 20s on here with a Michelin 10 ply all-terrain 33-inch tire. Very heavy. They were about 95 pounds tire and wheel combo each. We went to a 17-inch aftermarket wheel with Hoosier slicks, 28 by 10s in the rear, and I think it's a 17-inch just regular street tire in the front. But oh my god, the difference it made to this truck is unbelievable. I mean, we took over 150 pounds of rotating mass off of it, and it likes it a lot. So dude, it's, oh my god, I wish you could have seen everything. Like, we ran we have Andrew's video. I have a passenger in the car. We have AC. I think I had AC on. My truck is completely loaded. Like, it's not gutted and all full interior.
Yeah, full leather.
The only thing that I took out of this is a spare tire. Besides that, full leather. I mean, full weight fucking ripper, and it's on 93, still on a conservative, tune or whatever. And I mean, I have a video of the draggy from a test hit we made earlier to see how the tires go, and I think you guys are going to be very impressed. I'll have Derek put that video in right now. So yeah, it surprised me, and you guys got to think we're still on a conservative-ish, like, low boost tune.
Like, I think it's only like 13 degrees of timing.
I don't know if he put it, it's either 12 or 13 degrees of timing. I think he turned it back down. I think it's around 12 or 13 degrees of timing. So we have, plenty more to go. The IATs, even like tonight, I only made that one run. IATs are like 90, I don't think they went over 96 degrees. That's perfect. So I don't know, man. It's coming around. I'm still going to upgrade, the intercooler. I'm thinking about putting a meth kit on it, just to keep the IATs real. We'll gain 50 horsepower probably from that, right?
Yeah.
So we're probably gonna save up a little bit. We're gonna do the intercooler. We're gonna do a meth kit. I think we're gonna possibly throw a 3-bar in it. It's cheap. We have to get it retuned anyway, and then I might go. It has a 28 by 10 tire on it now. I think we might go like 29 and a half, maybe. I don't think it needs gears, dude.
No,
I do not think this thing.
It's perfect the way it is. I think
it leaves like, it's not like break your neck leave. So it did. It
left like a freight train.
It's a 6,000 pound SUV, and it did a 2.0 60 foot on the draggy on the street, no burnout, no prep. 2.0, 6,000 pounds. That to me is very impressive. Very impressive. So it leaves, and it's still leaving soft. Like, it's not like, you know, spinning the tires. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break. Nothing like that. It literally shits and gets. It hooks and it leaves soft on boost, just like you want it. Does not spin. Boom, gets in the boost, and it stays in boost. And it doesn't fucking, we have zero boost creep issues whatsoever. It comes up, it peaks, and it mellows out. I got this thing dialed in pretty good, so it comes up, peaks, stays in boost the entire time, does not go anywhere near where we don't want it to go. It stays right there. And dude, I am, it's not even done yet, and I am just like, I am in love with this thing. This is my favorite, and I've owned a lot of vehicles. I've owned over 20 240s. I've had bag stuff, Mustangs, you know, all kinds of shit. And this by far is my favorite vehicle that I've ever owned, especially now. Like now, it's a ripper, dude. Like it legit is fast.
Oh yeah.
It's like it's no slouch whatsoever. Like I think Andrew's car runs 11.7, right? Off of nitrous, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
So let's say it runs a low 12-second on the street. He had to spray it to get around us.
We're cooking.
So, and it wasn't like, I wasn't going lean, like the boost wasn't fucking crazy. I let out early, 6,000 pounds. I left on only 3 pounds. Like there's so much more in this truck. I think this truck can get into 11s the way it is.
I agree.
I think it will get into at least the low 12s at the track.
Absolutely.
If we pulled a little bit of weight out of it and we got it to leave on the 7 to 9 pounds that it's supposed to be leaving on the converter, I think it'll do what we want it to do. And if it does do what we want it to do, I'll just leave it there. Yeah. My goal for this truck was 11.2s. I don't know why that's a number. That's what my Mustang ran, 11.2s at the track.
Yeah. Let's get it.
I want this truck to do 11.2s, and I think it will for sure. So, bro, she's man, Sean fucking killed it. Killed it. Like, dude, if you're watching this, bro,
we love you.
I appreciate you. This thing's fucking dialed. Like, it is really nice. Like, I'm very impressed, man. This is the first time me actually getting on it since we built it. I have not gotten on it like that. That was the first real, like, it's either gonna blow or go, and then she went. And dude, even though he went around me, I knew he was on nitrous. Like, he came around way too fast. Yeah. So, bro, I am just, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning, and I am fucking stoked, bro. Like, that was fucking fun. So,
well, all right, guys. We appreciate you watching, definitely. Oh, that's bright.
I got more lights, dude.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
But definitely hit the like button down below, subscribe, share the video, and you're going to see a lot more of us and with the Tahoe.
Yeah, we have a lot planned. So.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.